This is a lovely class.
Today is a special day. We are making a book for our principal, Glenda.
Oh!
It's going to be a book of pictures. We are going to paint the pictures.
You're going to paint a picture?
Yes.
You'll need paper for that.
Yes.
Wait here. Some paper.
Thank you, Joe. Paper to paint the pictures.
Can I paint a picture too? Yes! Great! Laurie May, what's your favorite color? Yellow? We have no yellow! I know! Wait here! I got good news! I have some yellow paint!
Yeah! That's blue! That's blue!
Oh, it's blue!
You need to go get another one!
Don't worry, I know just what to do. Sometimes we bring the perfect thing, but there's no need to worry. If it's not the right delivery, just say Dizzy, Dazzy, Day. Hey, Ozzy, look at all these lovely paintings.
These are nice pictures, Joe. Principal Glenda is going to love them.
She will.
Look, there's Laurie May's picture. We were going to put them in a book, but we don't have a book.
A book? Of course, my final delivery. Wait here. A book? Why do you need a book?
We are going to put the pictures in the book.
Ah, a present for a great teacher.
But it's a surprise.
A present for a great teacher.